Good morning. Good afternoon, probably, by the time you watch this. I guess it would all depend on where you are in the world. Time zones. In my Discord, I was made aware that CJ Grisham has allegedly been arrested for disorderly conduct. Screenshots of it were posted. So I'm going to assume that they're correct. If he hasn't been, well, I'm not a news channel. I'm a legal analysis channel. So there you go. Anyway, in court today, I had a lot of time sitting there waiting for the judge to finally get to my case. But I'm not bitter about it. To do a little bit of research. I do remember someone then subsequently alleged that it was due to CJ using obscene language, foul language in a town hall meeting or a city hall meeting. Now, I do remember seeing videos of him at a city hall meeting or a town hall meeting or a county council meeting or some kind of government meeting where they give people the opportunity to speak on various issues. And he got up there and he was swearing, and he was saying that it was protected speech under Cohen v. California. And, I didn't think about making a video on it then, because who really cares how bad CJ gets the law wrong? I mean, I certainly don't care. He's not my attorney, and, I'm not competing against him. He's an attorney in Texas. I haven't met very many competent Texas attorneys yet, so, or at least the two that I've had a lot of time seeing, CJ Grisham and what's that other knucklefuck's name? What is his name? The bald guy, the boot, Eli. That's it. God, the guy's so useless. I even forget his name. Anyway, yeah. So not a lot of competent Texas lawyers, as far as I could tell. Earl's appeal attorney was competent. His trial attorney, not so much. The prosecution in his case wasn't that competent that I could tell. They won, but despite themselves, I guess, using less than upstanding methods, I would say. But I digress. So anyway, let's talk about Cohen v. California, because I think that our erstwhile cowboy misunderstands Cohen v. California. Cohen v. California does not stand for the proposition that a state cannot criminalize the use of foul language in any forum. Cohen v. California was based on California enforcing a California statute that applied to the entire state, and the court noted that it applied to the entire state, that criminalized offensive conduct. And the court noted that, first of all, it doesn't give the average person enough notice to know when, where, why, how, and what they're doing is illegal. It also fails to comply with any exception to the general rule. You're not doing a forum analysis because it applies everywhere. So you're looking to see if there's some sort of exception like Chaplinsky. It's not a fighting words issue. And so basically you're left with strict scrutiny, and the court said that it failed to be particularized enough or compelling enough. And so it fails strict scrutiny. So, The problem is that one of those city hall meetings, town hall meetings, whatever, those aren't going to be strict scrutiny, probably. Those are most likely going to be done under a forum analysis, most likely, almost certainly, but, I can be wrong, so let's just say most likely. And so the restriction just has to be viewpoint neutral, and it has to be reasonable in light of the use of the forum. So there have been cases that I have seen in the Fifth Circuit. Now, I don't know about state. I haven't looked up the state stuff, but I'm going to bet that it mirrors it. But in the Fifth Circuit, they think that those kind of meetings are limited public forums, and generally speaking, I haven't seen anybody win on one of those, on any assaults of one of those in the district courts. I mean, maybe somebody could have. I haven't done an exhaustive research. I was just farting around while I was sitting there waiting for my case to get called, but I couldn't find any case law that suggested that a restriction on obscene speech on use of foul language was somehow something that they couldn't restrict at one of those. So, I caution people from taking legal advice from tiny men in large hats. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.